Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Teen, your mathematics teacher. Okay, so for today, I will be discussing about addition of integers. I thought of making this video to serve as a review, as a refresher to my students in grade 10, since this is a skill which is really needed for you to be able to understand the next lesson in your mathematics class, okay? As I was preparing the PowerPoint presentation for lesson 2 on patterns, I thought of making this first for you to be better prepared to understand the next lesson, okay? This will also be very beneficial to the rest of the mathematics students in high school, okay, or even in college should you already forget about this, okay? So the operations of integers are very vital in any lessons in mathematics. So for today, let's discuss about addition of integers. In addition of integers, there are two scenarios. The first one is how do we add or how to add integers of the same signs, meaning integers that are both negative or integers that are both positive, okay? So example number 1, we have here negative 3 plus negative 5 is equal to what? So what is the sign? What is the same sign of the two addends? Okay, they are both negative. Now, since you are adding numbers of the same signs, simply copy the negative sign and add 3 and 5. Okay, these are the absolute values of negative 3 and negative 5. 3 and 5. Thus, what is the answer? Yes, it is negative 8. Example number 2. 4 plus 2. Of course, there's no difficulty here since both are positive. And we are used to this, okay? So, 4 plus 2, of course, it is 6, okay? Second scenario is, how do we add two integers of different signs? Okay, example number 1, we have negative 3 plus 5. Okay, they are of different signs. What is the sign of 3? It is negative, and 5 is positive. So they are of different signs. So how do we add these numbers now? Note that the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So, subtract 3 from 5. So, we will have 5 minus 3. And we are going to have 2. And since 5, which is positive, has a higher absolute value than 3, therefore, negative 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. Positive 2. We take the sign of 5 since it has the higher absolute value than the absolute value of negative 3. So we take the sign of 5. Okay? Another example on adding two integers of different signs. Example number 2. We have 3 plus negative 5. You see, this time, 3 is positive, 5 is negative. So, note again that the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. So, subtract 3 again from 5. So, we will have 5 minus 3, and that is equal to 2. But since 5, which is negative, has a higher absolute value than 3. Therefore, 3 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 2. Just bear in mind, my dear students, that when adding integers of the same sign, add and keep or copy the sign. But when adding two integers of different signs, subtract and copy the sign of the integer with higher absolute value. Okay, so for you to check if you have recalled how to add integers, you may answer this activity, okay? You have to find the sum. There are 10 given questions here. Then, so see you guys in our next session. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.